Now I'll tip it over, drain the water out of it, and unhook the electric, and then I can start installing the new one. So I got it off the flange, went ahead and flipped it upside down on a rag, got the bowl out of here, cleaned up all the water. You know, don't want your cabinet bottom to get ruined. Went ahead, reconnected the lock rings on the drains. Still got to do that one. This one was leaking water. I'm gonna go ahead, unwire it, take this plate off, unhook it, and disconnect this Romex connector, and then I'll rehook it to the other one, reverse the whole process to install the new one. It does make it easier. I have purchased the same exact one